Avalanche is in the process of breaking out, and I believe it is about to hit the $55 price target in the next few weeks. So let's talk about it. Now let's do a quick pause because I have a feeling you're not gonna want to miss out on this limited time offer. Gravity Trades has officially become a partner of the BTCC exchange, and because of that, I'm able to bring you guys a $100 voucher just for signing up. You can use this $100 voucher to actually put some trades and profit. We also have a $100 voucher if you also deposit at least 500 USDT. BTCC is actually one of the oldest exchanges where you can trade using leverage up to 500x. You can also trade the spot markets, you can trade forex, stocks, commodities. But that's not all, because if you read at the bottom of the page, you'll also see that we have a 10% deposit bonus of a maximum of $10,000 when you deposit $100,000. The deposit bonus does not have any limitations, but the trading vouchers do. This is limited to the first 100 signups. So go ahead and click on the link you'll find in the top comment below this video. In addition, you're also welcome to join our Telegram community, where you can ask me any questions directly if you wish. Now back to the video. Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain, one of the top dogs, currently sitting at number 13, sitting alongside other major layer 1s like Solana, Cardano, Sui, and the like, with a previous all-time high of $146. So taking a look on the chart at the weekly time frame, we can see over here the all-time high at almost $149. We also see the bear market lows at approximately $9 or so. And well, since then, Avalanche has broken a little bit higher, and we are now consolidating in this falling channel formation. As you can see, price has been bouncing between support and resistance, moving downward. Now let's go ahead and move down to the 4-hour time frame, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I think could happen next. Here we basically saw Avalanche breaking out of this range of consolidation. It basically broke above the resistance level, had some consolidation, and broke higher once again. I'm actually trading this right now. My position is in over 60% profit because I am trading this using leverage, which, by the way, I already closed half of that position. Therefore, I have no risk associated with it, only upside. So I basically put a long on Avalanche once I saw that it broke above this area of consolidation. For this trade, I have a stop at $31.40. That's the yellow line you see right here. We did see some more consolidation afterward, and it broke higher once again, hitting a high of approximately $35.80, almost $36. Once again, we're seeing some consolidation. We have this falling wedge, which can be better seen on the 1-hour time frame. So going forward, I would expect Avalanche to continue moving higher once we see a break of this resistance line. First immediate target would be the top of this wedge at the recent high of almost $36. And what you need to understand is that I am bullish on Avalanche over the next few weeks, as I believe we're gonna hit the first target of $55. That is this previous high. I also believe that it's definitely gonna hit the previous all-time high of $150. However, when we look at price action on the daily, the RSI is currently a little bit overbought, hence we could see a little bit of a correction going forward. It is a little bit overbought, but nothing crazy. Over the immediate short term on the daily, if we get a little bit more downside, we should be seeing support around $31.22, which is the 10 moving average on the daily. But I would actually track this a little closer on the 4-hour time frame. As we dip below the 10 moving average over here, we could see a bounce. Price action is also pretty close to the 20 moving average, which is the white line, an area where we could see a bounce as well. Well, if that fails, we have the 50 moving average, which is also gonna serve as support over the immediate short term. Now, besides the moving averages, we should also look at just price action, and well, areas to watch are going to be these previous lows. We have a low over here at approximately $29.42. Should the price come down to this area, we have this previous low as well of $28.29. What I believe is gonna happen here is we're gonna see some consolidation for Avalanche to continue rallying higher. You could also keep an eye on this white trend line, as a break below it could signal some short-term weakness. Now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, also subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.